It's time to come out with pride, pick your door, and head to the fun. We've got lots of great events going on, so stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book, and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. It's Amanda, and I'm here for another Local Love Report. All right, guys, this one's for October 14th, 15th, and 16th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up. And, of course, we got lots of great stuff going on this week, from fall fun to coming out with pride, and lots of great opportunities to get out there and enjoy some fall fun. So let's do it. Friday! 10 a.m. Hot Wheels Race to Win at Orlando Science Center. $18 to $24 will get you into this fun event going on until January 8th. 11 a.m. The Journey Home Solo Exhibition by Mimi Huang at City Arts. And that's Tuesdays through Sunday from now until October 16th. 12 p.m. Fall Film Series Gustav Stickley American Craftsman at Charles Hosmer Morris Museum of American Art. This is going to be a free event, so come on out and learn a little bit more about this amazing person. 4 p.m. 8th Annual Oktoberfest at Crooked Can Brewery. Come on out to Winter Garden and enjoy an amazing time going on now until October 16th. Get your Oktoberfest fun. 5 p.m. Oviedo Night Market at Oviedo Brewing Company. Come on out to this free market, grab some great things to make your season more spoopy, or even some great stuff for the upcoming holidays. Maybe you need to do a birthday or for Christmas. They're going to have some amazing stuff. 6 p.m. The Milky Way Bar Plus Bite Scrawl Pride Edition. Come on out to 2405 East South Street in Orlando and come on out with pride. 7 p.m. Micromania Midget Wrestling at Oasis on the River. All right, guys, lots of fun. Come on out for this very unique experience. 7:30 p.m. Mel Brooks's Young Frankenstein West End version at Valencia College Performing Arts Center on the East Campus. $12 to $15, and you can come on out and put it on the Ritz. 9 p.m. DILF Orlando Pride Kickoff at Ace Cafe Orlando. $20 to $25. Come on out and socialize and enjoy your wonderful Pride experience. All right, guys, 9 p.m. Factory 93 presents Sasha at Narco, Avarina, all playing live at the Vanguard. $14.99 and up to $54.99 to enjoy this amazing experience. Come on out and enjoy some music. All right, guys, well, keep in mind that if you want even more events, that's right, there's more. These are just the top 10 of your weekend, but you can definitely get some great experiences by coming on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. We do pin a new event post to the top of the page every single day. So check it out, find out what's going on from art, comedy, music, so much going on in the community. You don't want to miss a thing. This is going to be the spot to find it. So make sure you check out our page and follow us there so you don't have to miss any of the fun. All right, guys, Saturday. All right, guys, 8 a.m. Our lessons learned. First annual 10K, 5K, and 2K run and walk at Harbor Park at Lake Baldwin. 9 a.m. Central Florida Orchid Society's annual auction at Oviedo Mall. Coming out to this free event, you know it's going to be an amazing show of beautiful orchids. So come on out and check it out. 9:30 a.m. Cookie decorating techniques at D&G Occasions. They got so much going on there, guys, at D&G Occasions. Make sure you check out all the great workshops they're going to be doing. But if you need supplies, this is also the place to go, whether it's for cookies or baking, anything to do with any of that, you are going to find it there at D&G Occasions. So make sure you check it out. 10 a.m. Orlando Come Out with Pride Brunch and Bar Crawl at Ember Bar and Restaurant. $10 and up, and you can come on out and enjoy the most amazing Pride moment and get together with all your friends. 10:30 a.m. Mermaid and Pirate Experience at Island H2O Water Park. Ira matey, this one's going to be for the kiddies. I imagine plenty of adults will enjoy it as well, but come on out and let's get a little wet for the season. 11 a.m. Charity Pumpkin Patch at Prometheus Esoterica in Winter Park. Come on out and help support the community and grab yourself an amazing pumpkin. 1 p.m. Virtual Write a Novel in a Month with NaNoWriMo Online Virtual Event. Go to attend.ocls.info for more information. I will print that link in the description so that you can start writing your novel now. 5 p.m. on Saturday, Lake Nona Town Harvest at Lake Nona Town Center. Coming out for this free event, and let's have an amazing fall. 7 p.m. Killer Carnival at the Center, Orlando. This is a dark, interactive guided tour through a sideshow of the macabre. $12, and you can come out and get your spook on. 8 p.m. Nun Slaughter. The Black Mariah playing live at Will's Pub. $15. Come on out and support these amazing musicians and grab yourself a craft cocktail while you're there or some amazing draft. All right, guys, Sunday. Let's finish this weekend off with a bang. All right, guys, 7 a.m. Hispanic Heritage 5K at Fleet Feet, Orlando. 10 a.m. Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins at Gatorland. $19.99 and up. Come on out and get your spooky good times on. You want to see the Gators get at some pumpkins or find a spooky trail to go down? They got you covered. So come on out and check out this amazing haunted adventure. 11 a.m. Forest Bathing with Julie at Mead Botanical Gardens. Hey guys, what's your favorite scary movie? Well, maybe it's playing at this festival. Come on out for 12 p.m. Freak Show Horror Film Festival at Epic Theaters at Lee Vista. Check it out, see if your favorite spooky movie is there. 12 p.m. on Sunday, Sensory Sunday, the Musical Museum at Orange County Regional History Center. $0 to $10. Come on out and enjoy something a little different. 1 p.m. Bazaar Botanica at Ivanhoe Park Brewing. All right, guys, this free event is always amazing. You're going to find the most unusual, the most odd, and the most amazing items. So come on out and check it out for yourself. 2 p.m. Halloween virtual class Voodoo Doll with Lipstick Nick online. I'm going to put that link down in the description. You don't want to miss her amazing tutorial. She is well known for doing amazing looks and this year is no exception. So make sure you check out her voodoo doll experience, but she does have others, so that link will be down below. 4 p.m. on Sunday, Coliseum of Comics Roadshow 2022 at Desertland Park, Orlando. And it's a free event, so come on out and check it out for yourself. 5 p.m. on Sunday, 13th Annual Dia de los Muertos Call to Artists. Get your Sugar Skull skills ready, guys. Get out there, enjoy making some amazing stuff for the Dia de los Muertos. Doesn't have to be sugar skulls, could be even other things in that culture. But check it out, going on at City Arts this Sunday. And last but not least, for your weekend, 6 p.m., Starfest at Stardust Video and Coffee, $10 to $20, and you can come out to experience this amazing show. All right, guys, if you have any other questions or any concerns, we are always here to help. Make sure you go someplace amazing this week. Try something new in the neighborhood. Drop us a comment, maybe for a first time in a long time. We'd love to hear from you guys. And follow us on all of our major platforms so you don't miss any of the fun. And peace. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.